Hello, I'm Schrire and I'll be talking to you about similarities and differences between blogs, wikis and forums. A blog, a contraction of the words web and log, is an informational or communication site on the internet containing posts which are usually presented by one person but may also be collaborative. A wiki is a website which allows its users to create, modify or remove content, and these are usually collaborative. The word wiki from Hawaiian stands for fast. An internet forum or message board is a discussion site where the discussions are usually threaded and where people hold text-based conversations around one or more issues. People often ask about the similarities and differences between wikis, blogs and forums. Firstly, the basic unit of a wiki is an entry. In a blog we refer to the basic entry as a post or blog post, and in a forum we talk about the message, the various threaded messages. In a wiki, we create a product, whereas in a blog or a forum, we're talking about an issue or a problem or presenting the issue or problem. It's more conversational. Wikis are collaborative in most cases, and so are forums. We're discussing with other people, whereas blogs are usually individual, although maybe collaborative. Since blogs and forums are conversational, we hear the personal voice in them. Wikis, however, make an attempt at neutrality based on Wikipedia's principle of a neutral point of view, or NPOV. In wikis, we see that there is an attempt at synthesis, whereas blogs and forums are characterized by separate posts or separate messages, in other words, by disparate entries. The discourse in both wikis and forums tends to be logical analytic, whereas the type of text we find in blogs is more personal and impressionistic. In fact, the discourse in both wikis and forums tends to be more formal, whereas in blogs we find a discourse that is semi-formal to informal. Of course, all the points shown in this table have to be taken as generalizations, and there are many exceptions. In what contexts might we use wikis in education? When we're trying to encourage analytic or formal writing on a particular topic, and training or teaching the students to collaborate while editing. These wikis can be done in conjunction with blog or forum activities, and wikis are also used as a platform for creating instructional websites. As to blogs, the most obvious context in instruction is to use the blogs to encourage students to write personal diaries or personal reflections. Blogs also allow reactions or talk back to the blog posts of others. And since blogs are semi-formal or informal, they encourage impressionistic writing. Blogs don't have to be only individual, they can also be collaborative. And blogs are very common as a platform for content websites. Internet forums were around for quite a few years before wikis and blogs hit the scene on the internet. They're most commonly used for online discussion around an issue or a problem. You also have forums where the instructor or an expert answers questions by the class, and forums can be used in conjunction with a wiki. Following discussion, a product can be developed on the wiki. I'd like to thank you for your attention. I created this short presentation in answer to questions often asked by my own students, and I hope that this presentation has helped to straighten out some of the confusion around the similarities and differences between these three text types that are very commonly used in education. Many thanks.